In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Framer website to a client. We'll walk through giving your client the right level of access so they can review, edit, or fully manage the project you built. I'll keep this simple, clear, and practical so you can hand things off with confidence. First, head to your Framer dashboard and make sure you're signed into the account that owns the project. Open the exact project you want to transfer so you're looking at the live editor for that site. In the top area of the interface, look for the Invite button. This is where you control who can access the project and what they are allowed to do. Click Invite to open the sharing panel. In the Invite field, carefully type your client's email address. Double check for typos. Access is email-based, so accuracy matters. If Framer shows suggestions for people you've invited before, be sure you're selecting the correct contact. Next, choose the permission level that fits your handoff. Full access gives your client the keys to the project. They can edit the design, adjust settings, and publish changes. Pick this when you're truly transferring day-to-day control. Content Editor is great when your client needs to update text, images, or other content without altering layouts or components. It keeps the structure safe while still letting them keep content fresh. View Only is the most restrictive choice, perfect for approvals or stakeholder review. They can open and explore the project without making changes. Once you've selected the right role, click Send to deliver the invite. Framer will email your client an access link, and you'll typically see their status as pending until they accept. If needed, you can revisit the same invite panel later to adjust or revoke access. To wrap up, copy the project link from the sharing area. Send this link alongside your invite so your client can jump straight to the project after they're added. With the invite sent, the correct permission chosen, and the project link shared, your Framer website is successfully transferred to your client.